Hi everyone, this is Kangs. Yeah, I'm back with another video, and today we chose to visit Oman Across All Ages Museum. It's located in Nizwa. Nizwa is around 1 hour and a half, or let's say 2 hours, if you are driving on a slow pace from Muscat. And first thing first, most importantly, is the details. The entrance for the museum is 2 Oman Riyal for the adults, and it's free for the children. So this was the entrance. The place, it's so amazing, it's so futuristic. It's like visiting a 3D city or a 3D building in real time. And it's not even like visiting a real 3D building in real time, because this is doing it in real time. I don't know who was the architecture, who came up with this, because everything it's so futuristic. Like everything is 3D. I'm not hyping anything, because from the outside, from the architecture of the building itself, see, that's the entrance of the parking. And even inside, make sure you watch up to the end. Even the inside of the museum itself, it's like 3D, all screens, everything. There's a million artifacts inside, and each one of them, most of us, we are used to normal kinds of museum where you just go and see those. They're called artifacts, right? They should be. And there's a simple writing there explaining what happened, what is this. But when you visit this museum, everything is explained visually with a big screen, 3D. It's like 4K. It's so realistic. Even something that is on the screen, it's so realistic. Like, it's so real. Yeah, it's so real. I mean, there's a lot of history that is in this museum. Of course, I was not able to cover everything from the videos, because there's a lot of them. So you guys, if you find time, you can just take your time, go to Nizwa. I think we went on a Friday, and Friday it opens from around 1 o'clock, if I'm not wrong. But on normal weekdays, if it's not a holiday, it's usually opens at 8 in the morning up to late night, I believe around 2200. That's around 10 p.m. And what else? Yes, there's another more important information. If you have children and maybe you are planning to have a full day out, or family or anyone that you want to treat, at the entrance of the museum, there is restaurants, there are coffee shops, there's everything. So I don't think you need to bring anything with you to eat, not unless you have not budgeted for it. So there's enough restaurants and coffee shops. And the system, once you're getting in, it's easy and very quick. It's just a simple queue. I went on a Friday when they just opened, and it was not a long queue. You just pay for the number of the people, and you pay with a card, or Visa, debit, credit card. Yeah, I think there's no cash system. I didn't check, but I believe in the modern world, you should be having a card to pay. So yeah, we went inside. There's a lot of history, especially for those people who love history. This is the place to be. Like for now, look at this door. I don't know how old is this door, and it's a masterpiece of art itself. It's handmade, crafted by hands. Like every single pattern of it was done specifically by hands. And these are the ships, is it a dhow? Should we call this a ship or a dhow? This was the ancient Oman ships, not Oman ships. Oman ships that they used to sail with. The sailors used to sail with this, and everything is showed where they used to stay, where they used to keep their cargo and everything. And over here we have the cars used by His Highness Sultan Qaboos. Like, there's a lot of information, a lot of history, a lot of futuristic things to come and see. So just enjoy watching the video, watch up to the end. I'm gonna put some music because everything is self-explanatory. Whatever I cannot explain myself is explained on the screen. Like, you can see these rocks. Like, everything is almost self-explanatory. So continue watching, watch up to the end. You'll see the history about Oman, the rulers, how Oman was before technology, and how Oman is right now, because this museum is where, if we say it's the power past meets the, this is where the past meets the, where the past meets technology, and where the past meets the future, if I may put it like that. So continue watching, please watch up to the end, and if you get some time, it's a place that is worth visiting. I believe 2 Riyal is not much for almost everyone, so just create some time, pass by, take your time. You'll be lost in the past and you will see the future with your eyes. Thank you so much. So one thing, if I may say, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment, of course. Anything, just leave your comment so we can know what you think about it, or I can know what you think about the video, what you think about the museum, and where you would like me to visit next on the next upload. And if you are planning to visit Oman, if you are outside Oman, this is one of the places that you should put in your travel bucket list. Okay, so thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the video. So guys, we are almost at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and tell a friend to tell a friend. And I'll really appreciate. Thank you so much. Continue up to the end. God bless you. I'll see you next time on the next video. Bye bye.